आज हमारे पास एक प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है विच इज बेस्ड ऑन मैथमेटिकल सीक्वेंसिंग। इस तरह की प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट्स आपने 10th 12th से इंजीनियरिंग तक काफी बार सॉल्व की होंगी, बट दिस इज समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग। वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट नंबर इन द सीक्वेंस। नाउ द नंबर्स वी हैव इज 31, 28, 31 and 30. So there is a repeat happening for 31, but there is no pattern across ascending or descending order. There could be a pattern जो हमें प्लस माइनस जैसे मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेटर से एक पैटर्न डिड्यूस करने के लिए बता सकता है। जैसे 31 minus 3 can give us 28, and if you again add 28 plus 3, it will again give you 31. But 31 minus 1 has to give you 30. So there is no deduction across arithmetic operators. Now let's think about in some other pattern. If there is no pattern coming across for plus or minus or multiplication or division, let's try to find out whether there is a pattern coming across in spelling out these numbers. 31, 28, then again 31, and finally 30. Again, there is no pattern coming across for the numbers which are in spelled out manner. Now if you see, these could be numbers जो number of days of a month हो सकते हैं। Now February, March and April. Now if you notice, February, March and April, अगर ये 3 consecutive months का एक pattern बन के आ रहा है, the next number could be the number of days in the next month, which is May. Now for May, the number of days are actually again 31. So let's find out whether this could number be 31. 31, 28, 31, 30 and again 31. This is our answer for this particular problem statement. इस तरह की problem statement आपको sequential problem solving and mathematical reasoning के बारे में explain करती है। These kind of problem statements are usually asked in software engineering interview roles. The more you practice from Geeks for Geeks, Project Euler, puzzleprime.com, the better you will become in the sequential problem statements. And इसी तरह की problems उड़ान, PhonePe and Razorpay जैसी companies में पूछी जाती हैं। Try to solve these kind of problems as much as possible and become very proficient in solving mathematical sequential questions.